post. Subscribe because we're actually not allowed to do this. We're risking it for YouTube. Woo! 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 Come on. Woo! You don't like that? You see that guy? Right there? That's my dad.
That's her.
Not an unusual guy, but it's not a stranger. It's my dad.
And one stranger, technically a new driver.
No, it's my dad's friend.
I know. But to us, he's kind of a bit of a stranger because we don't like.
They're exploding right near our faces.
It's not right near our faces. If right near our faces was like right in the pool, then that would not be allowed.
It's already not allowed. Woo! Woo!
Ah! Phil! Oh, is Phil okay? He fell down.
There's definitely more.
I think so.
He bought like 2 boxes. I wish I recorded the 4th of July. That was crazy.
Yeah.
He bought like
2 big boxes of. Well, dude.
I couldn't say that on YouTube because that was a lot of fireworks. Let's just say that. And it was the whole neighborhood was brought together.
I think some people are going crab looking for crabs.
Crab walking, looking for crabs. You know, that's an exercise, both sport. There's a drone up there. That's the drone.
See them down there?
Yeah, I believe
They're getting rid of one box, or both of them, I don't know.
Oh, this is... I think they're done.
Yeah, I think they're done.
Are you almost done?
I think they're done.
Yeah, they're done.
Okay. Yeah, they're done. They're long done.
Come on.
I love you, Daddy! She's just like, what just happened to my life?
Pretty cool.
Look, she's just like, if you saw her face, she was just like, what just happened to my life? Like,
Illegal contact number 25.
okay, bye! That's Katie's bright old shirt. Bye.